guess everyone is getting ready for Christmas, and I decided to create a little bit unusual style of the eyeliner. The purple color is pretty popular the last few months. If you'd like to know how to make this look, here is my tutorial for you. And also, I'm gonna make another small tutorial for people who like darker makeup. Please follow my channel and you won't miss it. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna prepare the skin for the eye makeup quickly. All the links of the products I use are gonna be below this video. Now it's time for the eye makeup. For our base, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows and blend it right on the lids. Take your time and make sure it looks perfect and even on the eyes. With these eyeshadows, it's actually easy even if you're not a makeup artist. They're so good and I use it all the time on my clients. To create a base for the eyeliner, I'm using this creamy pencil from Marc Jacobs in purple color, and I'm gonna work just on the lash line. And don't worry, you don't need to make it perfect at this time because we're going to smudge it anyway with a small brush. To set our pencil, I want to use this color from Tom Ford. The name of the palette is Pretty Baby, and just slightly repeating this line, going a little bit over. It's not really pigmenty, that's why the liner is going to look even and tender. I can see a beam of light. I can see a beam of light. I think it's already looking amazing, but let's continue. To make our eyeliner sharp, I'm taking this color pen from Kate Von D and repeating again our lines. And my advice, don't go to the gym and don't drink coffee before you do any kind of makeup with the eyeliner. Your hands will be so shaky, trust me, you don't want it. As this makeup I'm doing close to the Christmas time, and I think it's going to be a little boring to leave it like this. I want to make our liner glittery, but actually guys, it's up to you. You can leave it like this or use another glitter, but for now in this color I have just glitter from Inglot and I actually like it. And again, we're just repeating our lines. Yeah, and to finish our look, I'm gonna do the eyebrows, contour, and lips fast. And I decided to film it too for you guys in case if you're interested how I do it.
I can see a beam of light. I can see a beam of light. I can see a beam of light. I can see a beam of light.
And that's it. This is the first part of the purple makeup, and the next video will be about how to make it darker. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you very soon on the next video. It's going to be the purple smoky eyes on this already existed makeup. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye!